Hello, we are Jaqueline and Lucía, and today are going to talk to you about the monastery of Santo Domingo de Silo. Now, Lucía is going to show you the index.
Here is the index. First, I'm going to show the technical data sheet, then the sheet identifications. In third place, the materials, then the architectural system, later the construction elements, and finally the decorative elements. Now I'm going to show you the technical data sheet. The title of this construction was the Monastery of Santo Domingo de Silos. The author was Fernán González, who was the first Count of Castile. It was made between the 7th and 18th centuries, and the period was the Romanesque art, with the main constructions were churches, cathedrals and monasteries, which were made out of stone. This is the sheet identification. Here, in this photo, we can see the longitudinal section of the monastery. In this one, we can see the plant, in which we can see the Latin cross and many other rooms of the monastery, like the cloister, the convent church, the refectory or the scribe, and there are much more. Here we have the facade of the monastery, and in these two photos we have partial views of the monastery. On the other hand, in this one we have the east elevation of the cloister, here the west elevation of the cloister, and here the south elevation of the cloister.
Now to talk the material of monastery. Stone is what used to avoid fires and understand the passing of time. This photo is stone. Now to talk about the architectural system of the monastery. This means it has curved roofs, and we can see the curved roofs are used and are supported by arches of different types. We can see the arches.
Here we have construction elements. There are freestanding brackets, which were pillars and columns, like here, and attached brackets, like pilaster, abutments or buttresses or corbels. And there are semicircular arches and bank arches. These are semicircular arches, and these are banked arches, like those, or here. There are arches of different functions: access, reinforcement, separation, and decoration. More construction elements are covered ceilings, lintels, and wooden trusses, like here.
Now, decorative element. There are few decorative elements. These serrated. The type of decoration of this monastery are architectural elements like different art and column, and sculptural, like in this photo, I can see the sculptural.